Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious gravy gobi. We'll start by gathering all our essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh cauliflower, cut into bite-sized florets. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Don't forget a few green chilies for a little kick, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and a selection of aromatic spices to build our flavor base. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, we'll prepare our cauliflower. First, blanch the florets in hot water for about 5 minutes. This helps them cook evenly and removes any impurities. Once blanched, drain them completely and pat them dry. This step is crucial for achieving a good texture. Then, in a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil, fry the cauliflower until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor and a slightly crispy exterior to our gobi. Now let's build the heart of our dish, the rich gravy. In 1 tablespoon of oil, sauté your finely chopped onions, ginger, and green chilies until the onions are translucent. Then, add your pureed tomatoes and cook this mixture patiently until the oil begins to separate from the masala, indicating it's well cooked. Finally, stir in your aromatic spices, including 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala to create a fragrant base. For our final steps, we'll bring everything together. Carefully add the fried cauliflower florets to your simmering gravy, ensuring each piece is well coated. Next, pour in about 1 cup of water or vegetable broth to achieve the desired consistency for your gravy. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, letting all the wonderful flavors meld together and the gravy thicken to perfection. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.